What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to change Instagram name before 14 days. Firstly, get up into your profile section on Instagram, then go for edit profile and select the second selection, username. Now when you get up and try to change your username, it says you'll be able to change your username back to, for example, this one for another 14 days. What you need to do, you need to get off from this section and then you need to go on the three dots on your right upper side. Then you need to go for settings on the first selection and you need to go for help. Now as you can see here, you have four options. You need to go for the first one and take over the second one, which says send feedback. Go for send feedback and here you'll need to wait to get up into this main page of this video. Now what you need to describe here you need to say, for example, now as you can see, I have typed, hey, I have misspelled my name, can I change it real quick? And simply you need to get up and send this feedback, and then you'll need to wait again a feedback from the supporting team of Instagram onto your email or onto the notification bar on Instagram. And that's it guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.